use that in your bread. Oh, sorry, I need the spatula. You gotta do that again. Hey everyone, I'm Jacqueline at Party Bus Bake Shop, and today we're gonna learn apple cheddar bread. Okay, we're gonna start with our 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 20 grams of rye flour, 200 grams of water, and 80 grams of fresh levain sourdough starter. That's all gonna incorporate in our bowl. Mix that to just combine. Just mix until you don't see any more dry in the bottom of your bowl. We're not gonna knead it all. We're just gonna incorporate. So there's my dough. Step 1 done. Let this rest 30 minutes covered at room temperature. Bloop. Okay, step 2. We're gonna add 3 grams cracked black pepper, 6 grams fine sea salt, 50 grams cornmeal grits, so definitely make some grits for breakfast and save a little extra for your bread. 80 grams shredded sharp cheddar cheese, and 50 grams each of dried apple rings and dried apricots. All right, this is where your hands are definitely gonna get dirty because you wanna go in there and knead, almost like you're a cat playing with a pillow. Incorporate everything, again, till it just all comes together. Everything's together, so now we're gonna cover again and rest 30 minutes. Bloop. Okay, step number 3, we're gonna fold our dough. So we're gonna take our spatula, scoop underneath, and fold the dough towards the center. Scoop and fold, and then quarter turn, scoop and fold, quarter turn, scoop and fold. That's it. Cover and rest another 30 minutes. Step 4, our second fold. We're gonna take our spatula again, scrape underneath, fold to the center. Quarter turn, scrape, and fold. And rest another 30 minutes. Cover at room temperature. Step 5, grab a wicker basket, dust it with rice flour so your dough doesn't stick, and dust your dough with all-purpose flour. Scoop your dough out onto the countertop, and we're gonna fold with our hands. 2, 3, 4. Round that up. Upside down in the basket. She's gonna rest for at least 3 hours, but I prefer overnight. So throw her in the fridge, covered, tuck her in, and we'll see her in the morning. Okay, step 6. Your dough is still in the fridge, she's asleep. Preheat your oven to 440 degrees Fahrenheit with a pizza stone on the middle rack. Step 7, flip your dough onto your peel. Take some water and a brush. Get a little bit of a steamy crust going there. Score your dough with a razor blade or a paring knife or whatever sharp object you have at home, and get this baby in the oven. Here I go, loading my bread onto my preheated pizza stone. Final step, it's a big reveal. Look how pretty. It's our caramelized cheddar in there. The crust opened up really nice. Here we go. I think we need to taste it. As you can see, our apple, our apricots are there with a little pop of color and a pop of sweetness. And our cheddar cheese is melted throughout with a nice tight crumb because of those cornmeal grits in there. So we're not gonna have a big fluffy open crumb. That's great for something, but not for this. This is a really intense, heavy duty bread, super delicious, all by itself.
Bite!
There you have it, start to finish apple cheddar bread at Party Bus Bake Shop. Thank you, viewers. Thank you, New York City.